All right, hello, my name is Low. This is my 1994 Mustang GT 5.0. Like 88,000 original miles. Just bought it not too long ago from Greenville, North Carolina. Just starting to do my mods on it. Got a few already, such as 373 gears, aluminum drive shaft, long tube headers, upper and lower intake on it, cold air kit, high flow radiator, 373 gears, short throw shifter. So it got a few on there already, but I'm looking to do heads and cam next. So keep looking at the channel and you'll see some upgrades real soon. Thank you.